I'm gonna show you how to change those notifications position in Axiom. So to get started, all you have to do is go to axiom.trade first and then sign into your account. And then once you are in your account, next thing to do is just go to the bottom pane and look for the notification bell right here, and then click on this one. And then from there will be a pop-up that will be shown from you. So from here, you can now customize your notification toast or position by clicking wherever you want, from top left, top right, or bottom left, or you can click on the center, of course, and then the corner right. And then once you're done with that, you can also enable or disable the display notification by clicking on that icon right above there. Also, you can click on transaction notifications or sounds by clicking on enable. And once you're done, just click on done. And that's it. That's how to change those notification position in Axiom.